Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the WERCHTAY 2025 upgraded TV antenna, an indoor digital HD antenna designed for smart TVs. If you're looking to cut the cord and still enjoy local channels and Fox in crystal clear HD, this could be the device for you. This model stands out with its 360-degree signal reception and a 180-degree adjustable angle, giving you flexibility to position it perfectly for optimal performance. It comes equipped with a smart IC chip that helps capture signals from all directions, which is especially handy if you're in an area with variable broadcast strength. This antenna is rated to pull in up to 555 channels, and it boasts a maximum range of 3,000 feet. So even households located farther from broadcast towers might get a strong signal. One of the antenna's most practical features is its strong magnetic base. This allows for tool-free installation on most metal surfaces, whether it's the back of your TV, a metal window frame, or even a filing cabinet. This compact, portable design is paired with a 15-foot coaxial cable, providing flexibility to place it anywhere in your home, living room, bedroom, or even in an RV. The antenna is lightweight but built to be durable, maintaining a stable signal even in less than ideal conditions. Setting it up is straightforward. Once connected to your TV, performing a channel scan is essential after every repositioning to ensure the antenna captures all available broadcasts. If your reception isn't perfect, moving the antenna closer to a window usually enhances signal strength. Dimensions-wise, the antenna measures approximately 4.25 inches in length, 3.35 inches in width, and 8.86 inches in height. It's compact enough to blend into your home setup without taking up much space, yet powerful enough to boost your viewing experience. Overall, this upgraded TV antenna provides a solid solution for cord cutters looking to access local channels in HD. Its combination of 360-degree reception, adjustable angles, strong magnetic base, and long coaxial cable makes it a versatile indoor antenna for anyone wanting to enjoy live sports, news, and entertainment without monthly cable fees. This is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on this antenna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.